Babina Group of Hospitals ki Babina Specialty Hospital da hangliba American Oncology Institute da Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan na Radioactive Iodine Therapy Center hangdoktuna Manipur da ihan hanbo ina thyroid cancer gi layeng chathaba hokre. Center asin nupi singda maru ina naganba thyroid cancer gi ana layeng gi damak mapalamda cell tingna ana layeng bagi mahut iramdam asada matik chana layeng bangam hanbatanatana tha ani gi manungda bone marrow transplant ki khudong chabasu center asada leiragani haina Babina Group of Hospitals ki Managing Director Dr. Thangjam Dhabli na phongdorakli. Khabar soida laiba American Oncology Institute ta pangthokiba thoram aduda athoiba mithunglen oikiba Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan na state asigi leiriba missing asiga yengnarubada non communicable oiba laina singi marakta ama oiriba cancer laina asi atai laina singi yengnarubada chang wangna leiri cancer laina da natana launa gandaba laina kaya nabagi chang hinkalakpana maram oiraga Chief Minister gi mitiang makhada CM Health for All scheme gi makhada yumthong khuding changduna anaba sing mangzona na khangtok naba khongthang sing lokhalakli khongthang asidana tana CMHT amadi PMGAY gi makhada miyam da ka hena sel tingdana ana layeng chathanaba hotnariba sing asibu mai paknaba hotnaba lanai ana layeng sangsingna pangliba mateng sing thaganingai ni haina phongdoke thoramadi da sarugi akiba Dr. TH Dhablina laina makhal singilakta cancer asitam thiraba laina makhalamani breast cancer lungs cancer amadi cervical cancer gi matungda thyroid cancer haiba asina nupi singda naganba mari suba cancer laina oiri thyroid cancer gi anaba ase state asidagi khwaidagi nakpada Guwahati amadi atopa state sing maroina Delhi amadi Mumbai da chatlaga ana layeng lamba adu ngasidi iramdam asida mai pakna ana layeng chathaba ngamlagani haike haukiba English ngani kunge September thada linkhat kiba Babina Group of Hospitals ke center asida ngasi fawbada punna cancer patient listing kun mathoi hena mai pakna layeng kre patient sing asigi manungda patient listing amaga chani pandi CMHT gi makhada amadi patient chamapan lomna PMGAY gi makhada lemna ana layeng chathaki hairi.
In Manipur, we have such radioactive iodine therapies in Manipur. So, precising whether it's government or private, it is not that it's a service for the people. I don't know. The Kalanda says pet city, and it's always, as I've always said, it's always the support, the work that the private hospitals as well as the government hospitals that we all put together. We all have a very personal tana raga to kansa Manipur process the CMHT ga PMJY is na yamna so bukana ba amazo ko ke so the PBB
big announcement. I have to say that we are going to have another facility being added in the center, that is bone marrow transplant. The location is ready and the equipment process and purchase process is on. Now to supply sing to hek thunga baga bone marrow transplant su city centers da already duga matangi matungilla unit kharada hospitals da koi ki center of excellence aba adugi do certification do bilo na ko hana jagani adu loina na sigi hospital si NABH assessment loira aduga ayama loina ba qualify where point kharada non compliance adu koi compliant loina ko hana jari within a few months time this hospital will also be accredited by National Board of Hospital Accreditation.